Hello everyone, welcome back to Multi the Crochet. This week I want to share with you how to make a simple flower petal, and this is really simple. And for this project I use an acrylic yarn, a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, so that's 3.5, and a darning needle with a green yarn, so to work into the petals. And now to start, really simple, we're going to start with a magic circle, but it's going to be a very small magic circle. Just I wrapped it around one finger, and for this petal you just need to know how to do a chain stitch and the triple crochet stitch. So we're going to chain one now. So I'm going to do another chain. We have 3 chains there. Now into the magic circle, I'm going to work 3 triple crochet, 3 triple crochet into the magic circle. So triple crochet is you yarn over twice, you go into the magic circle or the ring, and you pull through 2 until you have the last 2. So one more. And now I have 3 triple crochet. I'm gonna chain 3 and back into the magic circle. I'm going to, so that's chain 3, back into the magic circle. I'm going to do a slip stitch. I'm going to work a slip stitch, and now we have the first petal for this. Now we're going to move on to the next. Really simple, chain 3, 3 triple crochet, 3 triple crochet, triple crochet or treble. I'm sorry, I keep using it. Treble, triple is the same thing. So 3 triple crochet, and this is the second. And now I've done the last one, and I'm going to do chain 3, slip stitch, and now we have the second petal. So moving on to the third one, this is really simple. You can just always go ahead. I'm going to chain 3 into the magic circle, another 3 triple crochet, and we're going to chain 3 at the end and slip stitch. So this is pretty straightforward and really simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and meet you, and we're going to do this for 5 times. So we have 5 petals. So I'm going to just go ahead. Once I do the third one, I'm going to go ahead and complete till I get to the 5th petals. I'm going to meet you at the end of the 5th petal. And we're doing the 5th petal, which is the last petal, and now I'm just going to slip stitch. When you slip stitch, I'm just going to chain 1 and fasten off. So now we're done with that. So I'm going to just go to the yarn at the tail, the magic circle, just to pull the magic circle and close up the this part, and I'm just using my fingers to just flatten the petal. So now you don't close it up entirely, so I'm not going to close up the ring entirely because I'm going to work with the green yarn. So now I am finishing with with the yarn. I'm sewing these 2 or tying them together. So I tie them together and I'm going to weave it in, and you can tie it more than once just to keep it secure. You tie that in those 2 yarns together, and Afterwards, we're going to just sew it in with the darning needle. So make sure you just use your fingers to just straighten out the petal. Now to work in the green yarn, I have my darning needle with me, so I'm going to start here at the back. Just insert my darning needle through the back of the petal, and with a green yarn. You can use any type of shade of green yarn you have. So I go in between that circle, in between the petal, and I pull the yarn through. And now we are going to just be doing something simple. Now I'm going to go into the gap, the chain three that I started with, and I go back into the under the magic circle again, and I go into the last chain 3. Then I pull through. I go again, and I go to the next petal and do the next, and to do the same thing, the chain 3, I go in between the chain 3 where I started, and pull the yarn through. And this is really straightforward and simple. Go back again underneath through the magic circle, pull that through, and go to the last chain 3 and do that again, and go through the magic circle. So we are going to just repeat this thing, repeat it for the 5 petals. So this is really simple, and I hope you understand what I'm doing here. Really simple and very straightforward. So now I just go ahead and just complete for the last petal, and now as you can see, I'm done. And then the next thing to do is just to go to the back and finish off this and now I'm going to just tie these 2 yarns together, and then I'm going to cut off the yarn and fasten off, and we can sew that in afterwards. So now I'm done, and so I've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please leave a comment in the comment section, give my video a big thumbs up. Thank you. See you in the next one.